The Legacy of Leading Award is presented by the University of Idaho to individuals who have made significant contributions in leadership to their communities, the state of Idaho, or society in general. The majestic cast bronze sculpture is the creation of University of Idaho student Melissa Bixby.
My name is Melissa Bixby. I'm originally from Soldotna, Alaska. I'm in the graduate art program here at the University of Idaho with an emphasis in sculpture.
Chosen for her design talent and her experience working with bronze, Bixby's challenge was to turn an abstract concept into a tangible work of art, full of meaning and beauty.
A lot of my inspiration comes from the materials that I work with directly and the processes that I have to use, such as casting or welding. There's going to be a few different parts to the award. Some of them are going to be really realistic and other ones are going to be somewhat abstract.
Starting with sketches and cardboard mock-ups, Bixby fashioned a design that integrates historic and modern architectural features found on the University of Idaho campus, the place where leaders have lived and learned for more than a century. The two towers are scaled replicas of the turrets on the university's iconic administration building, Clock Tower.
So designing the towers, I started by actually getting the original blueprint of the administration building, took them into Daniel, who works in the wood shop on campus, transferred the blueprints into AutoCAD, and then we were able to laser cut almost an exact replica of the towers into the wood.
The back panel of the sculpture is a casting of the brick texture from another historic building on campus, Finney Hall. To get this texture, Bixby had to make a rubber mold from the brick exterior of the building.
It's mid-February and about the mid-30s out, so we had to set up a heat tent and a generator so that I could get it up to about 60 degrees for the rubber to cure.
The award also reflects the contemporary sleek design and glass walls of the University of Idaho Library, represented by the smooth polished panels across the front of the sculpture. Finally, the administration building clock holds a prominent position on the front panel. Its hands are set to 1:30, symbolizing the date of January 30th, the day the University of Idaho Charter was signed in 1889. Bixby cast each element of the award separately. The process involved applying a thick coating of rubber to each model to create a mold. Once the rubber is cured, wax is poured into the mold to make a wax positive of that model. The positive is then dipped and coated with ceramic slurry. Once it's dried, the wax is melted out, leaving a ceramic shell which becomes the actual mold for the bronze. The ceramic shell is heated in a kiln, then removed and buried in sand to hold it upright. Then molten bronze at a temperature of over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit is poured into the shell. After the bronze is cooled overnight, Bixby removes it from its ceramic shell, then cleans and polishes it to its desired finish. The final touch is the wooden base made from a Camperdown elm by Professor Ed Crumpy of the College of Natural Resources. The wood was saved from the sole tree that was lost to Dutch elm disease.
The Camperdown elm is an iconic figure on this campus. They were planted in 1917 and they grow along the entrance road up by the music building and into the admin building. And since 1917, people have seen those trees, they've walked by them, they revere them. They're an icon of the university.
Melissa Bixby's creative vision now proudly shines as the University of Idaho's Legacy of Leading Award.
I feel really honored that I was able to create an award that's going to be given to someone who personifies the legacy of leading.